Are you looking for the best beard straightener? In this video we will look at some of the best beard straightener on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Kush Elba Cordless. One of the more expensive options on our list. The Kush Elba Cordless is also a sleek yet powerful device capable of taming most beards. However, its slim design and short bristles make it an ideal option for those with smaller or thinner beards. Plus, it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about getting tangled up or even finding an outlet first thing in the morning. The USB charger means you can charge anywhere, even from your laptop, and it has 3 temperature settings: 360, 380, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The tip of the device gets very warm and is designed for smoothing your mustache, too. Best of all, a single charge gives you 40 minutes of high-temp straightening. At number 2, Tame Beard Straightener. With all the temperature adjustability you want, 12 settings, and a bright LED display, combined with a compact form factor and a surprisingly wide head, this beard straightener is a worthy contender. Tame's offering a heated brush model that uses ceramic technology for even heating and an Ionic generator to dry your beard fast. The auto shut-off feature turns the device off after 30 minutes for safety, too. Note that this model is best for beards over 2 inches long. At number 3, Kush Ionic Straightener. One of the few head and beard hair straighteners we've included on our list. The Kush model offers Ionic technology to dry your hair quickly, plus a digitally adjustable heater to suit your hair type and thickness. Note that this is not a hair dryer style model, but a heated brush. It also features hair guides and an anti-scald design ideal for longer beards, as well as a 30-minute auto shut-off feature for safety. At number 4, Andis 38300 Professional Comb. You'll find that this option from Andis differs a lot from the others we've included. First, it's not specifically designed for beards, but don't let that fool you. It's a top performer. Second, it's a comb-style design rather than a brush. It can reach 450 degrees in just seconds, offers manual temperature controls, offers an auto shut-off feature, and has a swivel cord designed to reduce tangling. At number 5, Crazer Beard Straightener. This option from Crazer calls itself a comb, but it's really a narrow brush. That makes it well suited for travel, as well as for use on shorter, finer beards. However, it's capable of tackling the burliest face bears out there, too. The LED screen is easy to read, and you get 5 temperature presets to suit your beard's coarseness,